Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create the rare Lina doll eye makeup look from the DTI doll codes. So you do have to use custom makeup for this. The first thing you're going to add is this right here, and the color code for that is FFD5D5. The second one is this number over here, which is placed here. Color it FF5457. Then we have this one, the green pink combo. Just color it white. Then this one, color it black for the eyes. And then this one, color it FFC3C4. And there you have it, your custom makeup. Your own Lina custom makeup. Obviously, I don't have the code item for it, so that's why this is another option if you want to have those kind of eyes. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.